We're going to fold an origami tulip. You'll need 2 pieces of paper. If you can, get some coloured paper. I've got this pink colour and a green piece of paper. Obviously the pink will form the flower and the green will form the stem and leaf. This is 15cm by 15cm paper. Now I'm lucky, I've got a little guillotine and I can cut my paper to size. However, if you didn't have a guillotine, what you could do is, even with A4 paper, this isn't A4 paper, but if you wanted to square this off, what you do is you fold one corner across to the side. Okay, now obviously you've gone diagonal to diagonal, so this will that will form a square. If you fold this side over, and then we're just going to have to remove that part, and then you've got a square piece of paper. So if you had an A4 piece of paper and you didn't want to cut it down, you just wanted to square it off, that's fine. I mean, if you wanted to go to the trouble of making it 15cm by 15cm, then you can do. What I tend to do is fold it both ways. Okay, so make sure you fold that one way, nice deep crease, and then fold it the other way. And then what you can do is you can make a tear. You should be able to rip this. Okay, so obviously makes it fairly rough. If you can fold that a number of times and maybe use a ruler, you could have used the ruler's edge, and you can tear the paper. But basically, if you don't have access to a squared piece of paper, this is how you can kind of square it off. But obviously I've done that quick and very roughly. However, I spent a bit of time with these 2 pieces of paper, so I got my 15cm by 15cm green piece of paper and my 15cm by 15cm pink piece of paper. We'll start with the pink piece of paper, so we'll make the flower head. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the paper in half, so this edge is going to go over to this edge, so we're folding the paper in half. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold the paper in half again. So now this edge is going to this edge. So you'll end up with a cross fold in the middle. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to diagonally fold. Okay, so if I bring one corner to the other. Coming back up, and same again, I'm going to fold this corner to this corner, so this corner to this corner to make another diagonal fold. And the colour card I have, it's not really paper, it is card, so it's quite thick. It's good if you've got thin paper for this. Card's not the best, but it'll look better in colour. The flower will look better in colour. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fold so that, see this kind of star shape? Okay, so we're going to fold it so forms a triangle. Okay, I'll just show you that again. It was like this. These go in, that goes in, so you're pinching this part in, and then they fold together to form this triangle. Just put some deeper creases in. And then you're going to take a corner and you're going to fold it over to here. So essentially that triangle's halving at this point, and this edge is going to match up with this edge, like that. And then do the exact same thing this side. So this side's going to match up with the inside here. So it's going to make a fold, halving that triangle. That corner's going to go to that corner. Okay, so we've got it looking like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same this side. Okay, so all I've done is I've folded these corners over there, and then the other side, they were out there and they're folded up. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn it, open it up so that it folds that way. So instead of having the corners folded up and that's at the middle, we're going to fold that side and that side. So it looks very similar to before, but we've just folded those together and those together. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure, you see this bit, yeah, make sure these are at the bottom, and you're going to fold this edge into the center, or shall I say just beyond the center. Okay, so this point needs to go just beyond the center. Okay, so maybe like that. So if you look, that point's gone not to the center but just beyond it, yeah, a little bit beyond it. And then do the same with the other side. Okay, so it's gone just beyond it. So now you've got those two folded like that. And then same this side, you're going to fold that corner just beyond the center. Same again with the other side. Like I said, using card is very difficult. Try to use some thin paper, but if it can be pink coloured paper, that's good, or any other colour really. Tulips come in a range of colours. Right, probably the hardest part, just this little gap here, you're going to stick that into there. Okay, so just make sure that they tuck inside there, which is difficult with card. Oh, there, got it. Yeah, so the corner of this one's just tucked inside here, and then do the same this side. So make an opening, and then you're just going to tuck that corner inside. Okay, so what you've got, that's tucked into there and that's tucked into there, and it should look like this. Okay, now here comes the interesting part. What you're going to do, slightly open it up. There's a tiny hole here, and you're going to blow into that hole so that the tulip expands. Okay, and just be careful, don't overfill it with air, don't blow it too hard. You don't want these bits to pop out, so you want these to still stay in. So it might be best if you kind of pinch those with your fingers and then blow air into that. Okay, Let's see how this goes with card. Right, there we go. So I've glued up, so it should look like this. Okay, and we're almost done with the flower. We're just going, these are the petals, and we're just going to open them up slightly. Okay, so just kind of give them a bit of a turn. Okay, you spend time trying to make this look as lovely as possible. That'll do. Okay, so there's the first part of this. This is our flower head. And now for the green stem and leaf. Okay, so I've got some green paper, a bit textured, which is good. It's also fairly thin, this. Okay, so it's not as thick as this, so it shouldn't be as difficult to fold. Right, okay, so what we need to do is we need to fold this down here. So we're going to bring that corner to this corner. Okay, and then open it up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this edge to the center. Okay, so this corner is going to head over to here, like that. Same with this side, that corner is going to head over to here, so this edge is going to line up with the center. Okay, so you've got this, turn it round. Now what's going to happen is this edge is going to go to the center, so this corner over to here. And same with the other side. Okay, and then you're going to do the same again. So you folded that like that, and then you're going to fold it again. So this edge lines up with the center. So I'm going to fold that a second time towards the center. Likewise, this is going to move towards the center. Okay, so it's just the same fold as the other side. Okay, and then you're going to turn this over, and then this thinner, longer side, this point is going to go over to here. Okay, so you're folding it in half. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to fold that back. So this is your base, this flat part, this. So fold that back. So there's the stem forming. And then this is going to be the leaf, and it wants to kind of bend out a bit. So we're kind of putting a bend in that, like that. And then just try and make it look more leaf-like. Maybe try to get it to curve a little. Okay. And once you're happy with the stem and how the leaf looks, what we can do is take our tulip flower head, and there's a hole here, and the stem can poke into the hole till you get it however you want it. Okay, so just have a fiddle around and just get a feel for what looks best. And there's the finished tulip. Yeah, so there's the stem and leaf with the flower head. It's quite tricky though of using thick card to fold, and secondly it makes it quite top heavy, so if you can find some nice thin paper, that would be brilliant. Right, have fun.